Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about YouTube thumbnails, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a YouTube thumbnail for free in your Canva account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a thumbnail for your YouTube channel in Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and YouTube is a part of that, you know that branding is quite important. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and you can see this is the home screen that's going to show all of your recent designs. Now, in order to create a stunning thumbnail for your YouTube channel in Canva, what you're going to do is here on the top in the search bar, go ahead and just type in YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see the section Canva templates. You can see there's close to 20,000 you can choose from. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on See All. Okay, so now you're going to see a lot of templates you can use for a lot of thumbnails. So you can see a lot of these are really great. Now, most of them are free. However, there are costs associated with some of them. So for example, this one has a little paid sign next to it. Also, if you see one that has a little crown next to it right here. So if you just want the free ones available, just go ahead and click on all filters. And then here on this menu on the left, just scroll down and click on free and then apply. Okay, so here are all of the thumbnail options you can use for free for your YouTube channel. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one kind of matches your brand. So let's see, this one looks pretty cool right here. So let me go ahead and choose this one. And the cool thing about Canva is when you choose a thumbnail template, it's going to show you other ones that are similar. So you might be able to find one a little bit better. But for me, this one looks good. So I'm going to click on customize this template. Okay, so here we are. So now we can go ahead and start editing our thumbnail. So it's just like setting up a Facebook page. So right here, how to practice meditation every day. That doesn't have anything to do with my channel. So we can go ahead and just click in there and we can change the words, make money today. And then we can change this easy and fast. All right. And that looks good. We'll just leave that at every day. And then also this lady is not me, obviously. So what we can do here is we just click on the image. So you can see there's this purple box around the image. And the weird thing about Canva is there's no way to swap out the image, as you can see right here. So normally what I'll do is I'll just click over here on the left on uploads. And once you click on uploads, you can choose to replace that with another image that you already have. If you want to replace it with a different image, you can go ahead and click right here and upload files directly from your computer. And then it'll show up down here as I have right here. And then to replace her, all you're going to do is just grab an image and just drag it on over. And you can see it's automatically going to replace it, as you can see, and resize it and just let go. And now it's been changed. Now, if there's other features or elements you want to add into your thumbnail, you can go ahead and click over here, elements. Okay. And let's see here. Maybe you can go ahead and grab a frame. So the frame is the outside of a picture that you're going to add in. So maybe I'm going to grab this star and you simply just drag it right over your YouTube thumbnail. So maybe I'll put it up here on the left. Okay. Now it has a space for my picture, and we're going to do the same thing. You just click over the star or the frame and click on uploads, and you can just drag your picture right in. So we're going to drag myself right there, and you can see it just drops right in the star once you let go. And that looks pretty good. But as you can see, this easy is covering up the star right here. So you can easily just click on the wording and then right click. And then you want to go here to layer and just move that backwards. So actually send backwards. And then the star, let's see, let's go ahead and move that forward, bring forward. Okay, there we go. So now you can see the star is in front of the easy and fast. And then maybe we want to go ahead and add in something that says subscribe. So let's go to elements. Okay. And then I'm going to click here, search and subscribe. Okay. And as you can see, there's these little features here. So these ones have a crown on them. So they are not free. So just kind of scroll through until you find a free one. So let's see here, this one right here, and you just drag it right on over and drop it right into your thumbnail. All right. So you can see it's kind of big and obnoxious in comparison to everything else. So we can go ahead and grab these white dots and shrink it down and then just move it right back around. So right down here on the bottom left. Okay. So that looks pretty good. So let me move myself out of the way. All right. So next, what you want to do is go ahead and name your YouTube thumbnail right here. So Anthony YouTube thumbnail with a B. All right. Now we're ready. So what we're going to do next, in order to save this, in order to upload it to our YouTube channel, you click on share here on the top right. And all you're going to do is just download it directly into your computer right here, download. Okay. And now you want to go ahead and change the file type. And for me, I'm going to go ahead and use a PNG, and we're just going to go ahead and download it. All right. All right. It's downloading right now. Okay. Now it's downloaded. Let me go ahead and take a look at it. Okay. So here is my thumbnail. It's saved to my computer. So now we can easily just go right into our video on YouTube and upload this as the thumbnail. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube channel in Canva for free, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.